Welcome back guys, I'm Sonia and we will be learning Python. In today's lecture, we will learn more cool things about dictionary. We will learn how we can combine dictionary with list and with other dictionaries. Let's start the lecture. Let's recap what we know about dictionary. We have variable defined, then in that variable we have keys with their values like this. Students, mini, 10, rock, 13, James, 11, Emily, 9, Bobby, 10, Bunny, 10. So here names are our keys and their ages are their values. Okay, so we can see each key has one value. What if we want to store more values? Let's say here we are storing each student's name with their age. What if we want to store their admission number, their minor subject and their favorite sport? We can store them in a list and make it the key. Let me show you how to do this. So our dictionary name is student. Mini, then her age is 10, her ID is 001, her minor is music and favorite sport is badminton. Then rock, his age is 11, ID 002, major subject music, minor subject music, favorite sport basketball, then James, his age is 13, ID 003, minor is bio, favorite sport is skating, then Emily, her age is 9, ID is 004, dance, cycling, sorry, then we have Bobby, age is 10, ID is 005, maths, soccer. Then Bunny, age is 10, ID is 006, music and cricket. Then let's see print student. Let's save and run this. It's running perfectly fine. So if we want to see Bunny's data, how do we do that? Anyone? Yes. Let's see in the editor. Yes. Print student Bunny. Hmm? Let's remove this print statement. And here we go. Here we go. See here Bunny's data and here. Nice. What if we want to know just the subject in the list? Then let's see subject has index 2 because 0, 1 and 2. So Bunny then index 2. Let's run this. Music. If we want James' ID and his subject, then it's exactly how we did it in the list. Print student James, James 1 colon 3. Here James, age, ID, subject and sports. So it was 003 and bio. But using list have one problem. We have to remember the sequence in which we have stored data. What if a new person try to access this data? It will be very difficult for him. To avoid this, we can make dictionary inside dictionary. Check this. Mini, then we have age, age is 10, then we have ID, ID is 001, 001, then we have subject, that is music, then sport, badminton, let's copy this, copy, age was 13, ID was 2, subject was music and sport was basketball. Then here age was 11, ID was 3, subject was bio and sport was skating. Age 9, ID 4, subject dance and sport cycling. Then age 10, ID 5, subject maths and was soccer. 6 music and cricket. Now I don't have to remember the sequence. Let's print the age. Print stu student, then name Emily, then her age. इससे मुझे ये फायदा हुआ कि मुझे किसी की भी अब सीक्वेंस याद करने की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे जिसका चाहिए मैं सीधे लिख के पता लगा सकती हूँ. Let's run this. Here we go. Emily's age is 9. Emily age is 9. If I want age and sport, print student rock, then rock's age, then student rock and sport. रिमेंबर पाइथन इज केस सेंसिटिव, तो अगर आपने यहाँ पे कैपिटल और स्मॉल में डिफरेंस कर दिया तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होगी. लाइक मैंने यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट है, मैंने स्पोर्ट्स कर दिया तो एरर आ सकता है. लेट्स रन दिस. Here we go. 13 and basketball. You can see dictionaries are powerful and really simple to use when you set them up properly, and that brings us to the end of our discussion. In the next lecture, we will start very basic but incredibly useful topic loops. And if you know any other language, you might be familiar with it. Till then, bye. All of you are doing great job. Keep doing, believe in yourself, and stay home, stay safe. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Geek Wizard. Thank you.